na obi tena adwuma pa afeni akire na entua ne ka na nipa ne ko adwuma de bia enti o man we mu fi se de eye oh mu de mu susu pa se de eye
adwuma ne yetua wo kakra na be
te say
na yentua you are supposed to Accra now 1 year Accra how would you survive?
I'm telling you
now we tell you a dying boy.
I'm telling you
or it's one from the get-go by virtue of a choice you made, you know, or mining in our pass.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you. Because you've decided to become a teacher or to become a nurse.
A doctor.
It's
Abuso from Mamuna Makwaba, the Bagana and Same TV. So, one more should like video, the best subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Send a next time. Videos of this nature about on Sabbath me at Kabi. Now, so watch our comments and show them. Said the Munya, Mr. President. Na said the die from Mr. President and was embe so mo na from pina if by chance dey offer na person contribute to your work the person boy adwuma ya na ade a the patron number na was you can reach out to yen na yes abeka na beda was so na me so saka video na ka say adudi nya meti ase me nka say pi mo me ko video me ko ba stay tuned no me ko ba bia me ba na discuss issues bi yon ko message here
na obi tena adwuma pa afeni akire na entua ne ka na nipa ne ko adwuma de bia enti o man we mu fi se de eye
oh
mu de mu susu pa se de eye
adwuma ne yetua wo kakra na be
te say
na yentua you are supposed to Accra now 1 year Accra how would you survive?
I'm telling you
now we tell a dying boy.
I'm telling you
or it's one from the get-go by virtue of a choice you made, you know, or mining in our pass.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Because you've decided to become a teacher or to become a nurse.
A doctor.
It's
how? Don't approach issues from always thinking that bibia as I say we say person who anaze obi hwe from tino bibia would have been fit eche we say to ko ni mu abrabom Bibi a yesi bi obi criticize obi comment obi suggest us on fa adwene pa we adwene pa ne say obi ntrefi afe bosu me miensa a ye ntua nika we adwene pa no so ye ntimi nkoso na da ye ho
ufra so kwakọ to hono mo a the next traffic light wo fro ubonkum so e de akọ Akoma FM anazo be wura Kumase mo another very busy spot. South traffic light nesusu no. Etimi dum bia be 4 days na nya adwuma. Na so bia be 2-3 days. Na say dum be 4 days. Now I imagine because of the main entrance of the mall, Nuntina traffic light na nya adwuma. And also another place. Ufri one ma fro asokwa interchange na wo mu penti ase no. Over interchange, you know. Now what Danny will say if I said, oh, I want to run about now. Oak Plaza. I want my traffic light now. 100 no a doom and no crowd yet. But I couldn't go for 100 run about neighbor Ubehuno. Kabi ko boom, Emma Buto, Bebo so many nice Busumi Numini. Yan father from a sea. It is our traffic light, no so, and Yajuma. Now let me tell you how dangerous that place is also. And how busy that place is. Oak Plaza no. I want something to say. And penifo akese umba krom hanom no. Ministers, MPs, wo move free region hano. Wo bomb baby ada no. So wa na Golden Beaner a Lancaster hotel. Wana Lancaster me papa a bishop a hotel rich condos. One not rich condos are the Oak Plaza. Is this our traffic light nasa pay? Traffic light nasa pay na Oak Plaza ni AC. Now the Oak Plaza building no a house a lot of offices. Republic Bank ewom, Ecom Ghana for ewom, a lot of offices. And the house we are very busy. Directly opposite the Oak Plaza no is a fuel station and then Standard Chartered for so bank omo branch ba ko e ho enti e ho so ye busy ana ufri arrangan se na eba enam say eye a bit steep ntino ofro na wo besane e de wo sane a say traffic light nso any power the speed and e sane atwam akọ sa traffic light nso so no about a month 2 months nie enya adwuma enti asukwa interchange na wugina ase say u penti no traffic light mienu ansa na wadru asukwa interchange no enya adwuma for months enya adwuma ye was court and they walk more than the more apart from more no Starbite share fuel station is one and also yeah a very busy fuel station to cars a far doors pa sa traffic light no so nya dai enya adwuma ucha mu afro interchange na uko sane no traffic light e wonum no enya adwuma se wo free Arwanga junction na eba o traffic light miensa ansa na wodru asokwa interchange no so baako o ma ne fa obonkuma na ukora Arwanga junction sa traffic light mo amofa ho no edi wo dance ye say about 3 days within a week ubenu obi ana adum enya adwuma enya si adum nkane anko awo toda nkane awon potemo ba bedu that traffic light na adum o tra na wo ba wani mu a na wo bedu another junction a wutimi di ram ekọ asokwa ekofa ejaba area honum no sa traffic light so no for bare 1 month ekọ 2 months ni enya adwuma and also lead to asokwa interchange no ansa na ubedru the last traffic light ya what try ya na okwa the main asokwa interchange no so no a wotimi fa bonkum honum ebe pie asokwa ebe fa mama part area honum no sa traffic light no baby a food island one and also so no about months near I thought I would do on 2 weeks 1 week continuous na enya adwuma sa traffic light no say offer asokwa police station when now over test main interchange N1 no so I would kwa Arwanga junction na ube pie traffic light na se pay asokwa MTTD4 ewo ho omunim omahu enti enye say de obi ya e obi ani nye hu de ye kan say enema ehia na ebetumi adi nipanya e okonwa no ana momfa ma ho odan ani musika enkoso efiza wo ye painting interchange na wo ye painting e wa ase no traffic light e one left e one right e one side traffic light 9 and e twa nwahia baako eye de wo asokwa police station anim pɛ enya adwuma ansana wakodru de wo brewery kase over righter na wo kwa ahojo uko straighter na wo kwa atonsu no wakodru eno eso eno de most of times eya adwuma enti traffic light mako 9 a baby a wo ye painting no ehye mfimfini no ne nyina anya adwuma a ebetimi de nkwanhya kese bi aba akum nipa ama obi breadwinner wahwe ne kra eno de enkan enhaw won fa ho because nipa wu a enfa ho wo de wo ba motorcade edi wanim motor rider edi wanim ti traffic light ye bia biem kan cross o etu ye safe etu onwene wo mo maka no ho and I was we painting. This is why we are talking about it. And just a painting and your fe and just will be pet. No. But we are here or him or your hen. Now sorry now we'll call on more. Traffic light now will try out what they call now any jumano. Busa won't say. So be free bonkum and any fair ba. Now what names a wood to one over Crasoa. And only painting now ye painting na ye friend. Yeah, hey. And I was a minister no and go to one among. Came a boss, Nenimwa. Traffic light is you. Sampa abere so me kai. Omo ba ye ya, wo be ye. Ema ye soy na ye adwuma. Ene ofa ho ma sa adum. Officers mess. Traffic light oh. Etoda red ni green ni etimi so bom. It is a road driving no one yet careful. Now what you say asonti wo kwa. Kwensia ene besia. These are the things that we are talking about. Oyibeka say da no momo ba ba mu ye dey. Ya anya anu ntira Ghana for to abeti aye. Enti momo ba mo nkoye because mo be ya resetting.
Obviously, Mama and his brother are stealing our money. I know there's a mistake in here. And now I say no, I see you katia. Was your penny? Ne konse I confirm. Ne konse I kukonyinia. And so I bonus. So I didn't quite see but now say NDC for ton forms 500,000. Say if Ghana for soldier for any police for ya fa move 500 pair. Ya ji mama kanyina sikedi no. Ye fa more. Mwamu nebe ya akromfo ama police for na bechi omo kwase empanyini sei ntimu ni mtuma jimi sei ena mabasi yento abama dwomama oni twase eso edum katia okon se akonfem ansu aboro no okon se akokonyini a ne ho atutu kwase biba ebeduru vote time ebeduru campaign time ya be kire munyansa fokin majimi esenwan no kwase over $300 million a Moses akoto private jet ma Ibrahim mama aboa no say sika no nko atimi sisa Ghana destiny etimi boa etimi sisa Ghana youth nyina destiny kwase bi ba ti se wo wo de keka nkwase asem wo ujimi am obi aba po olumai bugi jimi ntafo kwase afo kra se ya bunoni aboa kwase bi ba ti se wo kwase edum katia wo de amonya nkwase ade wo this time enye joko entina America kire ko akuje tabla kwa no Trump no nipa boni ni wo de mami so de kwase abema wo ne aba America bio why the other UK for the France for what can say countries and small countries but that's what the UK Prime Minister attempt odi attempt na bika or more prince ni nyina prince of England or what is England for timakasa but that's what the France president attempt Macron or so munyina e ma musuru nkramfo agime fo am fam kwase anko be odi o matem odi China man panyini na ate odi obi atem enti sa akwa we no unim na wo se owi a okọ Cuba akọchi Cuba so president no akọtwe won so oyo no enti sa akwa we no sa unim na do kwase akọtwetwo jimilete bi no mbekuye nyina ono amuku ayi efezen areni e man panyini odi jimi na mo Russia beba we beba wo se o ba America omu okoku omu wa hu se country bi aba country fo no cross de omu bedi na chi omu kaso mu medina chi no hu de oyo omu de odi omato social media ade ase ti se nipa we no yesi osuro bi owi ase on ti se unim na mo de mu kwase ya mo ba mfaso bi ama am so na mo de mu jimi kwatwetwo jimi lete bi ba ha na me so mu a on memo obi adika ku wo Ghana wa ansa na Trump no bu abefu abegya abom ato Ghana be kum nipa wasiafo mfaso bi anim so mmoa asia akofo ade na teso na ne ba awi asan kofa mansa ana black voter o sensu anka Ghana mo memi akọ muni twa so ate ntafo agimefo NDC fo mmoa asia Ibrahim mama agimefo no tantan be ma tantan kwase ampanyini ma wia sika o man sika to private jet man 2012 aman ase ya obibia ho kire o man ya maburu nya adwuma nya maba mbe bi hweso bi adwuma private jet obi dada mo se yasa kukuro man sika nyina akoto private jet ama boy na sa ankwase asem we anyway wasia mun sanfa mabuna dwuma yesi zamu yes kami omaji nipa 500,000 ya bo amoma kwaje bosia betua forms ya bra yenim si yem form wasiafo stupid people nipa no te wono umie dwuma man on san kwaje bosia mra aban na aban ni san nyini free because aban ne ekronfo na modi jimi ne na mo jimi ambo pa mo bi akuma ama no ene asiedu nkatia ne Ibrahim ama no wasiafo odi okuja to no unim na wo beye mabombo Trump na so oba beku Ghana fo a ehona na manante akonifi otimachire a na ma ka che say ne ma me nkyerem ba bi a Ghana ayifo mo frɛ Ghana military base min ba bi okugyeto ne yere ne mawo munkoku omo first na mo mfa bom mo nante nko nkoku omo na ma beye warm up obi anchi ba bi akugyeto hye bi am nkyerem na Trump meku ono nko adan say wode bom ba abeto abeku obi a okuro nko ha Iranianfo no enno ya omo kokum nipa more than 800,000 and so no mu yi nipa 4 pe almost 1 million people because Iranian for na Jimmy Trump now say